How to perform t-test in SPSS. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now, one thing you want to make sure of is that the data you want to use for this test has been imported into SPSS. And the next would be going to the top of your screen and clicking on Analyze. Now you want to go over to compare mean and proportions, and from the options that are out, you want to go over to one sample t-test and tap on it. Now you're going to go ahead to add your test variable to this. Then go ahead to impute your test value based off on your hypothesis or what you're trying to prove. And when you are done, you want to head over to OK and tap on it. And guys, you have your t-test results. And this is how easy it is to perform t-test in SPSS. Now, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.